Life.
All right. So should I have headphones to listen to our conversation?
I don't know. You
I
can.
feel like that would be more proficient so that I could still be enjoy the environment
Uh-huh.
and make sure there isn't any issues as a listener so I could subscribe and watch you from
Why is the
here.
chat is disabled?
Um yeah, I don't know, figure that out. I'll go get the headphones.
Uh-huh.
So we're just building our spaceship right now. Remember, this internet,
Mm.
it's playing with the fourth dimension.
Uh-huh.
We're bending it slightly so we can kind of move into people's futures with
Uh-huh.
electricity.
Leave chat. Leave chat. Leave
Yeah,
chat.
we're building a time traveling machine.
Uh-huh.
We're making
Anybody
everybody
from
else
chat. So.
slow down. We're going faster because we're dipping out of light. I'll plug this in
Uh-huh.
so I can get the audience experience. Let me go to your YouTube channel.
Yes, should be pretty slow. But yeah, I tested Wi-Fi. It was like 50 megabits. Should be fine.
MFT and time. There you are.
It's live, eh?
Yeah, I think so. Let's
Yeah,
find
okay.
out. Yeah.
All right. So mic is on.
Oh, it's not live anymore.
No, it's live now. Still
Okay.
live. Maybe on the yeah, it's live.
Okay, cool. Whoa.
Yeah, okay. It's probably some delays a little bit.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna have to mute this, I think.
Mute what?
Ooh, it's got some weird popping.
Yeah, because the no, because of the mic.
We need to be closer.
No, because your mic on here.
No, that doesn't. This isn't doing anything.
Oh, okay.
Promise.
Alright.
But it's growing in volume a lot, like too much.
Well, you can control volume here. How
So
about now?
yeah.
Better?
Um, that's I think a little bit better. It's more consistent, I think, at least. But let me see. Is there other? Let me see. Is there
Yeah, there is a gain.
switches?
Yeah, there is a gain and stuff. Just be
Okay.
careful, don't drop it.
Okay, let's do that.
How
Hopefully
about-
that'll work
How about
better.
now?
I think that's a little bit better.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's a lot better. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
I don't want to shoot myself.
It's a gain, yeah.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Oh yeah, it's easy to get banned, so you have to be PG with your language.
mm-hmm.
References.
Mm-hmm.
And we're not trying to be political at all, so let's like just kind of keep that.
Mm-hmm.
So, okay. So now you can do things. I don't know how people do it where you can kind of manage screen, share screen, things like that.
Oh, yeah, I can share screen.
Doesn't need to be with me. I don't need to
Oh,
be
okay.
seen. But I'm saying if we're working, I want to present something to the.
Oh, okay.
I want to be able to show what we're doing. But overall, I think right now what we need to do is just talk and then invite people into conversation.
So share. And when you hit also, it's stable. It's
Oh, sorry. Oh, share your entire screen might actually be great.
Yeah.
So just make sure that you don't have anything on your screen you don't want to be seen.
Alright.
Cool.
Nothing. Oh, what is that?
You're looking at the screen that's looking at the screen that's looking at the screen that's looking at the screen. You're live. You're showing your screen. You understand?
Oh, okay.
It's a loop.
Okay, nice.
You're in a loop.
Infinite loop.
Functionally, that's what's happening. I don't know
Okay.
where the loop is. I have no idea, but that's what's happening. There's someone. It's broken somewhere.
Wow,
But it's
yes.
not broken. It's actually working perfectly, and it's just like a test.
Okay.
Yeah. Exactly.
Interesting.
Okay, this is great.
Yeah. Okay, I'll stop sharing and then again probably select.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
So now what you want to do is have your window partially up so that part of you is showing, so that there's a person that they're
Okay.
engaging with.
So what I can do, I can try to team you with machine, so then I can share your screen. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, I muted us now. I don't know how our audio is, so say that again. I'm sorry.
Yeah, like Harry Potter.
Yeah.
Так.
Mm-hmm.
You mean like that?
Yeah. So in just a second, it should load up like that, and we should be able to see you.
And share screen?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it should be.
So share which one? San Antonio Talks Google search, right? This one. Share this one?
No, actually, just keep it there. Okay. Yes, share screen. Entire screen.
They're gonna gain infinite load.
Yes, do it again. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Perfect. Now, take this screen and minimize it to nothing. No, hit that little line. That one, yeah. Now work on your screen. You're down there.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I see. Okay.
So you're building something now.
Mm-hmm.
And they have someone, and then we're both talking about this, but we're building something together. And I can send you things of where to put things, like things to research.
See, your internet is lagging.
Yes, it's laggy. 1 sec. I'm not super worried about my internet because we're going to be talking about stuff. I don't have anything to code yet, so we need to organize ideas. So, I have here, I can send this to you if you want. I'm going to share this with you. So now I'm going to type and it'll show up on your screen, but you can work from there. We can talk about it. And you can type whatever you want. We share notes, but we're note taking together.
Yeah, just do it.
I am. It's just loading.
Yeah. So.
I can plug in this internet for a bit.
Yeah.
Until we get the document up at
Yeah,
least.
because that's why.
When we don't need it, we don't need it, right? But when we need it, we need it. That's what I'm talking about. Adaptability. Okay, I see how you do with this organization. I like your organization. I can work with it. I promise. Whatever you want to do to organize everything. That's why I asked if you put it in the box upstairs. It wasn't because I didn't want it there. It was because I wanted to know if it was you or Steve, because that communicates things to me about Steve if it was him.
No.
Does that make sense?
Okay.
Oh, that's a bad system. Okay. Share. Add people. Okay. Only people with access. Okay. Add people. So Anton Smirnov.
Yes.
I'm going to share it with you. And it's going to be titled, yo, bro, this is the link. And you have your editor, viewer, commenter, editor, for sure. Okay.
So you share the link.
So now we're building, our whole business structure is about being seen. Because you have an editor, you have a commenter, and you have a viewer. The viewer is the one that's looking. The commenter is the one who's giving feedback. And the updater is the one who's managing the system. Picking up what I'm putting down? Alright.
So, okay, the mic on? Turn on mic?
No. I mean, we can do it that way if you want to, but I think it'll have a lot of issues with the way we're talking. I think of just filming and adding notes, and we talk together and add notes, and we pull things and we organize our ideas.
Okay, but no mic, right?
No, not mic for text, no.
Okay.
Mic for us talking to be heard live, yes.
But, I mean, I turn off mic here.
Well, let's see if it's working.
No, it's off.
Oh, you're not live anymore?
No, I mean, yeah. So that's why I was asking.
Oh.
No, I'm live, but I mean.
Let me see where we're at. I have no idea what's going on. Oh, we're too loud. We have.
Are we live?
We have bad mic management.
I don't understand.
I don't have the technical skills to fix this.
Go live again, eh?
Well, you can be live, but I can't listen.
I know, I'm live already. Well,
yeah. Okay.
Okay, I'm live here. Connect stream. Excellent connection. Okay. Hello?
Yeah, what up?
So when you type, basically it's gonna be simultaneously popping up here, right?
Yeah, but you should mute your computer or it'll loop forever. And we should let.
Okay.
How do you mute it?
Because if you're gonna mute, it's gonna mute both. So one we're sharing this mic.
You need to be able to mute this so that I can only hear in the headphones.
Oh, I see.
I should be the only one who can hear in the headphones.
How about
and you
now?
can take the headphones if you like.
Can you hear me?
No, can't hear you. Wait, not yet. No, you still live?
I don't know.
Oh, I have you muted. Hold on. Oh no. Yeah, we're good. Yeah, I can hear in the headphones.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. So basically, I turn off the sound so you can hear me. Okay. Cool.
So it would be most beneficial
Uh-huh.
if we each got headphones and we talk to each other through the headphones.
Okay. But I don't have headphones.
So we need to get you headphones for the future.
Okay.
I'm just saying that way we can hear and sync. We have two pieces of data to help us make that better. Make sense? So we're building like a ship. Okay. So if you need the headphones, put them wherever you need them.
You can use.
I'll use them for detail work. Yeah. But it's an important tool that I'll use every day. And if I'm ever bored and I want to live stream, what I can do is
My mic's I think still on.
Yeah, your mic being on is good.
That's
what we're doing. Yeah, so if I'm ever what's it called? I don't know. Okay. So I should be adding to it now. So let's talk about this. So I definitely want. Okay, now email me the link.
Where?
So that I can send it to somebody.
Okay. Okay. I just give them my channel.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, just go there and go from your phone to the channel, and then you share it. I can see myself.
Okay. Let me grab it. Yep. Don't allow. YouTube, you're a tool. I want to be me. Oh, I can do it on here. So I can do it on my main account. Okay. So this one, I can send. We can send people our live stream during the daytime and say, hey, you can watch us live stream every night. And we get people into conversation by marketing ourselves, sharing it with people. If we have a link, we can give to people if we're doing it every day.
See the dashboard.
Oh, awesome. Okay, I'm going to send him the link through my username.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So, I need to find you, MFT Anton. So I'm promoting you right now.
So MFT 79 Anton.
And it should show up.
Nope.
It's different on the. It showed up on the laptop right away. 42?
39.
39. MFT 39. And
should be together.
Oh, together, not separated. Okay.
Yeah.
There, I found you. Wow, that was hard to find you. Try again. You disappeared. What if I just hit subscribe?
Yes.
It only showed up after I'd already subscribed.
Yeah,
You have a
that's,
block on your account.
I don't understand.
Why can't people just subscribe? I mean, why can't people go to your channel without subscribing?
Because I put the condition of the live stream. You have to be subscribed. To watch, you have to be subscribed.
No, but it also made it so I couldn't even go to the channel,
Oh,
like your actual channel.
Oh, I don't know.
That's kind of cool, actually. I like that. Go to the channel. Okay. Like your actual channel. That's kind of cool, actually. I like that. Okay, I want to send this to Justin. Okay, your actual channel. That's kind of cool, actually. Okay, I want to send this to Justin. Okay, your actual channel. That's kind of cool, actually. Okay. Okay. So what you need to pay attention to is what people are saying. So you talk to everybody.
Where?
On the YouTube channel.
The chat is disabled.
You need to enable chat so that you can talk to
they
people.
didn't allow to enable second time.
What does that mean?
I mean, first they give allowance, second video, then you can have chat.
Oh, we just have
some limitations there.
Okay, will we be able to do it tomorrow?
Yeah, I guess so. So. Leave commentary mode on. I see. Yeah, it works.
It doesn't make any sense.
No,
oh, okay.
Works.
Okay, cool.
Test.
I'll check on you.
Yeah, the chat works.
Let me see.
You see the test on the right.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hello. Wait, I can't comment. Only viewers selected by the channel owner can send messages. Okay, you need to change that.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, so we're gonna have to change that later to filter it out later. But for now, anyone.
Leave commentary.
No, it should be anyone.
Anyone, eh?
Anyone.
Anyone.
Okay, no, anyone. We need if we can need to modify it later.
Okay, do it.
Hi.
Yeah, I got it. See.
Okay. This also allows me to be able to engage with people on there as well.
Yeah, exactly.
Like directly if I'm trying to have a conversation with them. But overall, I think.
So you sent to Justin?
Yes. I sent it through my account.
Okay.
So if he's smart, he can find my account too. Oh shit. Oh man. I just damaged the furniture.
What happened?
Well, I put it out there, but I didn't think about the wood. So it got rings on it.
That's alright.
Where'd you get that stool?
It's from piano.
Oh, you took the piano stool?
Yeah.
You just lowered the value of it to Steve. That's why he'll be upset about that.
It's alright.
Feel bad. It's okay. I love Steve. Okay. Then I can also text people from my phone who have my exact number. Here we go.
You check this out.
Okay. Yeah, so you can bring people in to talk to, or you can find ways to, I don't know, do a live call, because you can share you're sharing your screen. So as long as your screen can have them there while you're talking to them, you could do, and as long as your screen is muted, it's a control feature. So you just can't influence it. You just don't want to create noise feedback. You want to keep the noise focused. Okay. So this is an environment.
Closed.
What would you close? Your YouTube?
Maybe not.
Well, I didn't close it.
Okay, cool.
So yeah. Let's see. Oh, let's see if we're still. Okay, yeah. I think we're fine.
I'm still streaming, yeah?
Yeah, we're still streaming. See if it goes to that screen, and then we'll see if my hand raises up here.
Uh-huh.
See, wait. See my hand raised right up there.
Okay, cool.
Okay, it's working. Okay, so this is what I'm working on right now. Building a game about the Orthodox phronema. We're building a game about the Orthodox phronema, and we want to lay out the environment within which that logoi is fertilized. We want to build a game that ding dong.
Harry Potter room.
We're building a game that's, I think about it like a spaceship that's breaking down. You're like, gotta get that repaired soon. We're building a game about Orthodox phronema. We want to lay out the environment from within which that logoi is fertilized. Do you understand that sentence? You do?
Yeah, I understand.
Explain that sentence to me. Put your notes in there. You can take notes in there to summarize it, but explain it to me. What does that mean to you when you say we're building a game about the Orthodox phronema and we want to lay out the environment within which that logoi is fertilized?
That means people kind of learn his mindset, like paradigm.
Okay, write that down. That's a good addition. It's about mindset. Which part is about mindset? No, write it in the next line.
Okay.
We separate. Every contribution we add to the next line.
Okay.
You can do more space, but you don't want to extend someone else's line.
Okay.
Let them edit their own, correct their own writings. That way there's some sense of separation for data.
Okay.
This is good. I like it. This is enough for now. Let's see what's going on down here. They say turn on chat.
Cool.
Justin. He says turn on chat.
It's on, right?
What, the chat? Yeah.
Yeah.
Here. You can hear it over there.
Yeah, so the game will help to learn the Orthodox mindset. Okay.
Okay, what you need is we need to add a comment section that says, in order to join chat, you have to wait. So let's go to community. Should I do it right here? You can't see it. You should share this. Go to your channel. Put your channel up here.
One second.
Do half your window, since that's half opened anyways. Perfect. Now, go to your YouTube and go to this live, your settings, and find out how to put a comment section underneath the video. I gotta get some water.
you get what you was trying to do?
Hear me?
Chat where?
Here. You want to be able to. Everyone can send messages.
Leave commentaries off, right? Everyone can send message.
Wow. Okay. On my side. Okay. I can't join the moderate all conversations interact with the creator and others. Unless you're now open now live chat. I can't enter live chat as a user. That's not gonna work. So hello.
Yeah.
Okay, so anyone can join.
Yeah.
So email me at this email address.
1 second. Channel activity, pin message, put user in timeout, hide. Это за модератор. Managing moderator. Okay, ID is moderator. Okay. Now we should be able to do.
If we are having sound or chat audio, if we are having sound issues, please let us know in chat. If we are having chat issues, email me at this.
Justin can join?
No, I think he did, but he's not on there now.
Okay.
Okay, so so you're saying it helps learn the Orthodox mindset.
Yeah.
Okay, we need to color coordinate our data. So I need to make it so that your text is a different color than mine. For you, okay. Wow, this is difficult. Show all comments. So how do we do that? Okay, so I need to know if anybody knows, how do we I should ask this in ChatGPT. That's useful. How do I color my text? How do I I got it. How do I set text color preferences? How do I set text color preferences?
And Google Sheets. Google.
No, but it's based on you. How do I set text color preferences based on user? In Google Docs. Google Docs doesn't currently support user-specific text color preferences that automatically apply based on who is typing or editing. However, there are a few manual and semi-automated workarounds you can use depending on your needs. Open one. Manual text color by user. Each user manually selects their assigned color before typing. Oh yeah, let's just do that.
Yeah, just colors.
Easy.
Yeah, you go black, I go red.
Yeah, sure.
There you go.
There you go. Let's see if it stays consistent. Okay, so did the text switch work? And then do the same thing. didn't work. No, it didn't.
Why?
It should be red.
Huh? No, Rata, you have to do manually.
No. There's got to be a way to set your text and set it to it.
No, it told you couldn't do it.
That's just too much for pain in the ass.
I just color this. Is,
Let me look up the workaround. You trust me? Trust me on this one.
And it shows, see? It's red.
So you need to go up to there.
Yeah, I did it already.
Click on it.
Yeah.
And click on.
Yes, it's red. It's what I did.
Okay, do it again.
It's red.
No. Yeah, that one.
Okay.
Yep. And then type some stuff. Anything. Just blah, blah, blah. Okay, now go down 2 lines. Enter. One more. Okay. Now, try to make a space between your divisions. Okay. Now, stop. Let's see. No. Okay.
Yeah.
So we have to think about this file as a series of ideas. So we need to have different people taking different notes. So what's the rules around who's taking the notes?
Subscribe.
No, we need to share it.
Okay.
But we need to identify which is which. So interesting. Okay. So we can go back. We don't need all that. So what we do is every time before we start typing, we type. We hit that button.
Yeah, just color.
And we change it back to what we wanted. Okay. Okay.
So basically, we're now live, and after I can save this video and cut the silence of the prompt. I mean, I can edit it, upload it. You understand? Instead of just saving, we can save it as private and then edit it and just remove what we didn't.
Yeah. So what was public was public
in Final Cut. Yeah.
I got you. Okay.
So hot here, you know.
We get some fans. It's like we're driving a car, dude. We do this all day.
Yeah. See the fan, from the kitchen we can bring. The same thing we need to put probably in a.
See, that's when you buy something.
No, I mean we don't need to buy. We got on the kitchen we have a fan. Nobody's using. The big fan will create the noise, but I mean
we asked Steve if we could upgrade his fan.
Yeah, I mean, see the point is, low voltage room, we need to, get this Pi 4 and install Grafana. So see, with Grafana, it was Nikon. So now they use for the like water leak and contour, So you can install Grafana on Pi, and then basically it will start collecting data from the house, how much electricity it gets, and there is a brook in the park, right? We can put hydro turbine in the battery, so it's going to be constantly charging it in the forest. And then basically we can how say collect it into the main, into the UPS. So and that.
Wait, what are we talking about right now?
I'm talking about the low voltage room. And then on that we can keep beta testing on that server, so we can do local testing. So instead of using data center, we can locally tested the game.
So you're thinking about the hardware side of it?
I mean,
That's okay. I'm just asking. It's a question.
yes, because I mean, the point is if it's like let's say in data centers, so it's like kind of can be complicated. But if it's locally hosted, so then I mean because it's going to be web based, right?
Right.
So then it will be basically on local host, and we can just basically test locally before, and then we can also uh, mirror it to the our server somewhere in Canada or something. So that then this way, I mean, beta can be local and alpha can be on remote server.
Okay.
Yeah. So anyway.
All right. I don't know anything about this stuff. That's okay. How can I help you? What can I do for you?
Yeah, we need to get fan because it's like this little tiny fan. It's not enough.
Well, is there any minor comfort we could create right now that would allow you to be able to work with me? Or
Well,
is it just you're
well,
done for the night?
Well, I think kind of we run has a test. I think it's fine for tonight, but for tomorrow we can get the fan. But the point, they have to be like low RPM because if it's like high RPM, so then it's gonna create a noise, ground noise. And also, I think problem here also there is not enough humidity in the basement. Like so, see, I mean, remember this Dyson I had that we dropped on the Goodwill. So basically, similar thing. Basically, when it blows, it also purifies the air. So because I mean, I think all the other door can be open and the window can be open. It can be natural ventilation, so that the air will go through the door. You can open also the other door behind the wall, so it will pull the air and then go circulate. Because I think kind of not so much air.
Have you ever made music?
Music, no.
Have you ever thought about making music?
No, I'm not interested in that.
What are you interested in?
No, mostly digital art.
Let's
see. I mean,
then let's use the live streams to build the digital art. And when we find a project for you to work on, you can work on the digital art, and I can work on the coding.
like see.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. Like for example, today I can show it. So slow, That's why I was thinking to run the fiber, because see, I mean, again, some trouble. No, it's different actually. It is also the web database. Here you go. So like for example, see, tag saint, tag party. See, so today I made a poster. See, artwork, and then you go to the banner, right? So this banner. Do you see? Mark. So this one, basically text I did in Illustrator because it's vector graphics. So when I let's say make smaller size, it doesn't look. It's not good.
So how about this? How about you build the game's environment?
Yeah, I mean I don't mind to get it. This poster is also a poster as well.
Okay, what's the feel? Okay, here's the question. Okay, because I want. Okay, Anton. So we want to build
notification
a game.
The art has been removed by the moderator that is found violated site rule poor quality blurry. Okay, cool. And первый номер. Art has been removed as a moderator. Okay. So they removed that one as well. That's right, no problem. Так, open support ticket. Mark as red. Так, первый номер, да? Так, let's go. Yeah. So see with banners. Так, banner, movie banner, TV banners. Так, See
You want to
this.
build a game that Anton and Marcus excuse me. You want to build a game that Anton wants to build. Marcus is helping to ask questions to shape the complexity of the psychology of the game, while implementing a playstyle that is adaptable, but also ritual enough to be casual. Okay. I love that addition. Read that. Tell me if you like it.
All right. So
because we got to agree on this. This is our things we're building together. We're making this like a liturgy, right?
So we want to build a game that Anton wants to build. Marcus, Marcus is helping to ask questions to shape the complexity of psychology of the game.
Can I send this to Marcus?
Yeah. Which Marcus?
My friend Marcus in the wheelchair.
Okay.
Okay.
Playstyle.
We got to pause everything and we got to fix live commentary. It's not working. So notes gone. Back over here. Let's fix live commentary. That needs to get fixed now.
Who can?
Justin.
He can comment?
He can't comment.
Okay. That's strange.
Close this.
Uh-huh.
Here, I'm logged into my own YouTube on here. I can't do anything. So we got to work on this together. It's something we both need to know how to do. Okay. I can log in somehow. So what I need to do is change accounts to one that I'm not subscribed to you on.
But ask him to subscribe. That's it.
I did. It didn't
Okay.
work. Oh, but it switched to me. Oh, jeez. Okay, hold on. You can exploit that. That's messed up. Google, you should fix that. I shouldn't be able to comment from a different Google account and it tied to my other Google account as an actual comment. That's a bug. It could be a feature though. Okay, try to work on that for a second. See if you can figure it out. If you can't, let me ask ChatGPT.
I'm wondering why he can. Did he log in? Maybe he's.
I don't ask him. You have his number?
It's kind of not so much here. Okay, I'll just go out because I don't believe you at all.
Okay. Okay. All right. Ow. It's a small space. Okay, well, this is working out famously. That's awesome. Okay, I'll go back here. Wow.
All good?
Yeah, I made some additions to the document. Read it. Let's talk about it.
I'm wondering how long stream can continue.
Yeah, that's good. We're just testing it out. But it's fun to just share it, see if people want to come hang out and talk.
Right. So Justin still couldn't. Ah, yeah, here we go. He's there, Justin.
Okay. Let's what's up, Justin?
Yeah, Justin and Marcos there.
Cool. No worries, dude. Привет. He's speaking Russian.
Ah, yeah.
If you guys can type Russian, do that. It's good practice for you.
Yeah, man.
Just Just be yeah, because Anton can speak Spanish. So anyone you know who speaks good Spanish too, you can invite them, and he'll talk to them in Spanish.
So basically, I was talking about this part. Oh, it's Greek. Okay. This is I think new come out. So basically, this can be connected to draw the characters. So official Wacom. I think this.
So we're looking at the fancy tools. So
No, I mean we don't need it now. I mean.
No, I know. This is good though. We added to the data pile. But put a heading over it so we know what we're talking about here. Here. Just write it down in a shared document. And just you can write monitor for art and then put a comment of the website. And then we know what your comment is. Because you remember what it is when you see that.
Yeah.
And then put a comment. Right here. You right click on it here. Look. Right click on here. And go over here to comment. And then it'll open up comment. And just put. You should always put the website in here. Okay. But now that's go ahead. It's in the comment. But now, because you did it backwards, right click on that comment here. Let me do it again. I'm gonna fix it for you. So look. I'm gonna edit the link, and you're not editing the website, you're editing the comment. So put say no, you're not telling them what it is. You're saying it is a monitor for art. Yeah. Something simple that you'll remember. No, just put monitor for art. I just yeah. So think about this. If you're writing a list, right? Yeah. And then if you want to put, look here, spending. Now we build a category called spending. And we put down monitor for art. And if you can, what's the price? Roughly. 700. Okay. Is that a low or high estimate? It is what it is now. Let's put a 10% remainder. Let's do this. Let's put 770. And whatever we don't spend, we'll give the rest to the Lord. That way we gave a 10% right out the back. Okay, cool. Does that work? Yep. Okay. Now what's next? So anything that's red, you need to read, and if you agree with it, turn it back to black. Does that make sense? So this one also is online basically tool you can convert and do pixelated art. Okay, what is it called? Called pixelart.com. Okay, so do the same thing. Take the link, put a $sign, and then so we'll do the right way. So yeah, do a $sign. Or do a $sign. And then right click. And then go down to insert link. No, that was emoji. No, go back. Insert link, right? Yeah, insert link. And then you're gonna type the title first. So it's gonna be pixel art. Pixel art. Perfect. And then link. Yep. Apply. So now it'll take you to this website. Now underneath that, put the price. It's free. It's free? Yeah. You can do online easy. That's beautiful. Then we need to give them something too.
See like that.
We need to give them something. We don't have to figure out what it is now, but we need to give them donation. Actually, we need to divide those. Oh, this text is all screwed up. Let's just turn it back to red. How did highlights get on these?
This is the banner, so I did.
Okay. Something got weird in the text. I don't know how to clean that up. Well, what we'll do is we'll isolate it.
Interesting. Leave commentary, everyone. You can send message. Okay, cool, guys. We're ready to. They're just narrating some. Check it out. Did you see? See? Mark, did you see? It's remembered from the logo of Saint Ascent. So I think here. I think that was his book. Let's see. I think it was in this book.
Do you want Justin to join conversation about the game?
Yeah, of course, no, bro. Why not?
Okay.
Oh, I see there's a limit, I think. See? Mark. Time limit
Yeah. What is it?
on video. It's like 5 more minutes we got.
Okay, cool. So I guess we're going off in 5 minutes.
Yeah. That's cool. Oh, that's why that guy who was posting the video, he had to cut. Oh, maybe no, he wasn't live. Or maybe live. No.
Okay, so Anton, you want to build the aesthetic of the game.
Environment.
Do you care what the story is? How much do you need to know about the story?
No, I don't need to know the story since I will be doing this environment.
Okay. So let's let's talk about it then. I think that's needed, and we need to kind of build direction, but we want to build direction kind of spontaneously.
Uh-huh.
So, what you doing?
I just replying on my Chinese friend.
Cool. What are they up to?
Well, I invited him to one. There was Chinese members band, so I just vouched for him, and he got on one place.
Okay, show me some of the art you like.
Art. So basically,
The aesthetic.
yeah.
You think about if you
yeah.
wanted to build a game, you don't necessarily have a story,
Yeah, okay.
but you feel like you have an art style that would fit it well, right?
Right here.
What's up, fellas?
Hey, how you doing?
Check this out.
We're live streaming.
Busy working?
Yeah, I mean we're mostly playing, but we're live streaming. But we're seeing maybe God will bless it. We don't know. Maybe you will. Maybe you won't.
Whenever you get time to watch this video I've got, I think you'll like it.
Do you want to text it to me?
Huh?
Do you want to text it to me?
I don't know if I can do that.
Why not?
I don't know how.
Oh, bring me your phone.
It's on my tablet.
Is it connected to your phone at all? Is it connected to your phone at all?
Not that I know of, but it's on my tablet, my iPad.
Okay. Let me. What are you doing tomorrow?
Nothing. I mean, tomorrow night I have a meeting at 7:00. But
What are you doing in the morning?
nothing.
Okay. Anton and I get up at 8:00 in the morning.
Okay.
And we do prayer. So we'll get up, we'll do prayer. After prayer, how do I
You'll love this video.
How do I get a hold of you?
Well, knock on my door. I mean, I'll be up.
Okay, you'll be up at 9?
Yeah.
8:39?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll watch it in the morning. I'll come find you.
Okay.
Awesome.
Cool.
Thank you.
Cool. Yeah.
Have a good night.
Так. Change the password.
Wait, so let's talk about this story. In a mystical realm called Noetica. Okay, I'm just going to be totally honest. I actually like the idea. I think Noetica is too on the nose. I think if that's what you want to explore as the noose, I think that's great. I think we should do that. I actually would love that. Or at least the noose plays a principal role in the mechanics of the game. But I think that what link? I'm dumb.
So this is basically see, it's my friend from Canada. He works for Electronic Arts. Check this out, Martin. But it's more like high-end graphic. We can just pixelate it. They get space.
Show me what it looks like pixelated.
Well, I mean, you need to convert it to pixelate.
How do you do that?
It's basically. Let me go to his website. He's actually he lives in the same town with my dad in Montreal.
Yeah. It's interesting.
See, it's different worlds.
Yeah.
So we can choose the world we would want to use, sort by newest highest. Okay, let's go by newest. So different. He did this, Assassin's Creed. He did this. Yeah.
Oh man.
Whole environment.
You think he'd want to work with us?
Well, I mean,
it never hurts to ask anybody.
See, basically, you get this stuff. Yeah. and then
Yeah.
convert to pixel pixel card.
We're gonna end our live stream.
Soon.
Okay. Okay, we're still live.
Yeah. So see it basically.
We need to edit this, so we need to go to YouTube. We need to go to YouTube.
What do I do?
We need to edit the description. So I'll give you a description to put in there,
Yeah, okay.
but we need to.
So this is vectorized, but also we can do like an upscale, menu. So where's the description? Just add description in the chat, and I will edit.
Okay. Subscription needed to join chat.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, no.
Let me send it. Wait.
I got it. What?
I did not send you. So the description should just say that. Cancel. That's it. Subscription needed to join chat.
You want to copy this?
Actually, do this one. Sorry. Yeah, do that. Subscribe to chat.
Where?
Right there.
Okay.
That should be what's in the description. Yeah. Subscribe to chat. Okay. Interesting.
Arrange this one. See, you can basically see the block side,
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can do like this one. See?
That's a really cool tool.
Yeah. I mean, it's free too, but no, you actually have to pay. But you can buy coffee to them, but
So we should be, if we have someone, if we find someone
it's-
to design art, we should pay them a good amount.
Well, see, we can. Basically, we can borrow environment, or we can buy environment, and then like $7 cost, different. And it's easy to do. But yeah, if we want to hire, yeah, we definitely can hire. So
I'm just saying as a principle.
yeah, it's a good idea.
We should give money
Yeah.
when we have an artist who's created an image, who's an actual artist. Like, we should support people who actually put work into their skills.
Yeah. Pixel art.
We give them a job for their skill. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So I can insert link. So and then basically it's a link to that. And then download image, if especially we're gonna be 2D, different environments, easy peasy. Like 5 minutes job.
So what do you want to do? Do you want to come up with a story and an environment, or do you want to hear?
No. I don't want to go into the story. I just do environment and characters.
Okay, so how do you can you be inspired by an idea?
Well, you make a story, and I can just advise. Like for example, as we shared about, so like for example, we still live, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yes.
Well, maybe not.
Yeah, still live.
I don't think so.
No, I still live.
There's a number of artists at the church. Rebecca was an art teacher for decades. If the sprites or chars looked like icons, that might be cool.
It's cool. It's Marcus, I think, right?
Hmm?
It's Justin.
Yeah, that's Justin's idea.
Yeah. We're visiting Rebecca often.
That's cool.
Yeah. Shit.
Can you give a sample of what you mean?
Yeah, she's good,
Send a link.
Yeah, advanced environment design. Yeah. So basically, with characters in the environment, there will be no problem. Mostly, I think it's a storyline. Like for example, uh, if it's going to be multiplayer, so there can be concept of the communion. So they can, first of all, they can be like Trinity based, dimensions, right? And then you understand what I'm talking about, right?
Yeah.
So, like for example, as a concept also, we can introduce beyond time and space, because everybody kind of thinking in 3 dimensions or 4 dimensions, right? But this concept will be, if like in an interstellar, right? So it's basically beyond time and space. So then we can also introduce this model. What is it? I think that it's here in this book. So like that. Where is the camera? Here. So like that people can see well. But anyway, so basically, see, this is a Trinity concept, right? Oh, so basically, this one and this one and this one and this one, the operational process. So basically, it can be a character, right? Like incarnation.
Okay.
Right, and
Okay.
then
Okay.
Holy Spirit, and the Holy Spirit is where they can clean the news. And then beyond dimension is basically, it's like 8-day concept. So and then
That's kind of right.
communion can be one, or like at least 2 or 3 characters come together. So like as a fellowship, right? And
Oh, yeah.
And then this is basically
That's cool.
will be the concept. So the basically through the kind of Eucharist, they go up and God go down, and then it's kind of like, and then they can recharge, purify the news. But the whole concept, they have to understand that it's kind of like, a concept of Trinity, how it's
Hello.
Hello.
yeah. We do live stream.
Okay. Do you guys like to leave your van door open all night, or
Which van door?
the white one?
The Mercedes.
Yeah.
I'll go up and take care of that.
I mean, I noticed that it's open a lot of hours every day.
It's just because it's been hot.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I just didn't know if that was your goal. or if it was just accidentally left open.
Is the engine hood open?
I don't think so, but I'm not 100% sure.
Okay.
Just I know that I noticed that the side door was open.
Okay. Yeah, that's okay if it's open.
Alright. Anyway. So, I mean, these different environments. With a space, more, with I think this is more cost can be applicable. And it's free. $0.
Well, don't worry about the price of it.
No, I mean how to say we can play with the environment.
Yeah, don't worry about it. I won't find something that you really like, not so much.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Well, I mean basically we need to how to say to more understand the concept, right? Yes. See what it does. Basic pixelation. And it's functional too. It
Mhm.
can be.
Is that what? Hold on. What language is that?
This is
It's a
basically
JavaScript. It's JavaScript. Yeah,
JavaScript.
that's fine.
Yeah. So we can how to say. Yeah. And what I was talking about, how to basically. So, так. So it's 10 gigabit, so pretty fast if like 2 gigabit will go inside. So basically the server will. I mean, if you're gonna use that, it's gonna be pretty fast. Right, and that's this cable is 10 gigabit cable.
So we're building a server. What's the item?
Basically better to have it in a rack. Rack mount. So better see this is a rack mount.
Server with rack mount?
No, I mean the server you can use your old machine. We don't need like super duper something.
We just need a rack mount.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, rack mount.
So put the link in the doc that we're sharing.
So, так, и выкайте. Okay.
We go back to that comment.
We can just put one spot like that, so that then we don't need cables. See, listen, Mark. Then we don't need cables. Just let me write fast.
I feel like with iconography, it's tricky. I don't necessarily want to make the game that close
No.
to orthodoxy. This is in response to
Okay.
yeah, to Justin's comment.
Okay.
I don't necessarily want to do that because I feel as though it
But we can use relics, you know.
yeah, relics have been used they've been used further back.
Yeah.
I think icons is good, and I think it should be used, but I think it should be shown differently. Like we should use icons, but before icons were relics, and so you can use relics, like you said, as icons to perform the exact same function. So even if you just use relics, like the bones of dead saints and things like that, like the handkerchief of Paul, things like that, it keeps the idea of the icon is still there because it's still holding on to that real incarnate presence of Christ.
Yeah, but we also can use portals.
Yeah. The portals are stationary though, in a certain sense, but they're stationary to like the priesthood. But the priest can't activate it without the prayers of the faithful alongside of him. If that makes sense.
It's a 60 watt adapter.
I don't even know what that does, dude.
Okay, anyway.
If you want to send me the link, you can put it in the Google Doc.
Yeah, I think in the house what we want to get this will be the best solutions. Long range one is enough. Okay. Rack mount and then
No, you can highlight the rack. That's what you were getting.
no,
Right?
this is different.
Oh, okay, cool. You just delete the rack mount then.
Yep. So to avoid cables in the house. And then
No, you're doing it backwards again.
I was thinking like
The title goes there.
no, I mean that and
Yes.
I was
And
thinking
then the web link goes on the next one.
Okay.
See how you have a double. There you go. Looking good.
And then also need the dream machine, gateways, enterprise. No, we don't need enterprise. This one. I think this one with the 10 gigabit. We fell over, so there's two different ISP can be connected. Need to set up routing there. Okay, boom. Just with two devices. That's it. And everything should be working. Insert link. Bam. That's it. And then you connect your old computer and it can be used as a server perfectly. Suppose you just replace the hard drive for the SSD.
All right.
This is the mount. Supposed to be somewhere. Colors. Storage fiber. Still 10 gigabit RJ, 1 gigabit, 10 gigabit, 10 gigabit. Okay, yes. Anyway, so it's later. Yeah, they have even 100 gigabit patches. Anyway, it's maximum. I think got line 50 gigabit here. Oh, you see, the live stream still continuing.
Yeah.
So basically, there is no limit on time. How long we already streaming? Streaming, I'm already almost 2 hours, right?
I don't know. Yeah, about maybe.
That's crazy. Yeah, we can shoot the shorts, while we're traveling. So then we will be able to invite people to the channel for host. Okay. That's the latest. Anyway, so yeah, I mean, I think important storyline. Need to make a storyline. Then, like similar to, for example, if you go into the.
I mean, we'd have to actually get people to build characters, like building it as a D&D game.
Yeah.
So people get to build their own character. I don't know how to explain that.
So I see. I mean, basically, this one it was Ultima 1. I think 7 or 8. 8. So see, Mark, check this out. So it was similar like that,
Mm-hmm.
So this is more 3D environment. So it's characters like that. It was See, very simple. And then,
Okay, so what we do is we build a game and then we play through it
uh-huh,
multiple times
uh-huh,
as characters
uh-huh.
through a world that we build.
Yeah, see, funny thing that that's Ultima was, that's funny. You know, so it's gonna be like completely the opposite, you know?
Yeah, but we need to add the complexity of the spiritual realm, and it's hard
Yeah.
to do that. I actually think, believe it or not, I think Bloodborne actually did that the best.
Yeah.
As demonic as that game is, it did a really good job, and they kept the Eucharist in it. And I think that's why I think that anti-Eucharistic symbol in there, because you take blood to restore yourself back to incarnate
Yeah.
reality, but they still carried the super basic but very warped around that a basic reality that this is real.
Mhm.
But Miyazaki displayed the reality of the incarnation in its like darkness, and that's what it produces in your life. It's like it's actually pretty deep. Anyway, so I think some concept about, because as you gain insight in the game, which you get in different ways, it's not a core feature of the game, but it develops the story on the side. So that game I really liked because they had a combat system that was very straightforward to the point.
Yes, right.
Yeah, and then the mechanics of the combat system is what affected your alignment. It's the archetype that like tried to pull you away from. And so the villain in each story actually needs to be different. So the game needs to actually be built around a complexity of possible outcomes, and you can play caricatures that are designed for that, but you can play them however you want. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, let me put that. Why is this linked? I think what we need to do is I think we need to DM a game. And then take that game and code it into a video game. And not that exact story, that can be put into something else, but we take the data from that game to start building a video game. So what we do is we look for people who want to in D&D. We can do it locally, or we can do it over live stream. I don't think that would actually work out. That's the idealist in me. Because you could build a story around that, and it would actually be very cool. But I don't know if I don't know if this is the season of my life where I will find people who want to sit down and write stupidly complex story line and characters. So maybe when I'm an old man.
Okay, I think I'm done.
You're done for the night?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Did we end it?
I can finish.
You can end it whenever you want.
Yeah, okay, bam.